Hi, my name is Tanishka and I'm a BCB student in the Economics, Politics and Social Talk program. Today I'll be showing you what some of the teaching spaces at Bard College Berlin look like.
Classrooms at BCB are set up with discussion-based learning in mind. That means that all of the desks in our classrooms are arranged in a U-shape, with students facing in towards each other. Classes at BCB have, on average, 11 students, which means that the classroom itself is a small, interactive space. You'll know your professor by their first name, and they'll know you by yours. Professors offer weekly office hours to meet individually with their students. For larger events, guest lectures, or film courses, students make use of our campus lecture hall, which has a larger capacity and is the only space on campus where you find students seated in rows. Our courses cover a wide range of academic disciplines and topics, and in all of your classes at BCB, you can expect engaged, lively discussions.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you visualize what classes at BCB are like. Hope to see you in a course on campus soon.